two. I don't know. What if it's the other way around? Hmm. That'd be stupid ass answers for just that. It'd be funny though. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Bruh.
It was. So what I did was on the thing it says two, and I was like, what if it's just subtract that shit from 21?
Hold
There's
on.
a. Okay, I thought that was different. What the fuck? Bruh, that was even close to that shit.
Troll.
Nigga, I'm just close to it. Oh my god. How you into here? I mean, we need to get in there. I don't know how to get in. Me too. Oh. Roll. Combat roll.
That jump is so fucking floaty, bruh. That double sprint shit. Make it floaty as fuck.
Your mom?
I'll be there soon. Just hold on. Anderson, I'm
Oh, shit.
almost there. I'm close. Anderson, answer me. Fuck.
Man.
Alright.
Anderson, I'm here. Oh no.
You already know. Alright.
Bruh.
You saved my life, Anderson. Thank you.
Died too hard, bro.
Sleep well.
Aiden,
I'm here.
is Anderson with you?
Well, I'm sorry. She's gone, Ader.
This nigga about to
She
cry
saved
with
my
me.
life.
Who's responsible? The freaks from the bazaar.
No, it just happened.
We have to take the windmill back, so I sent troops to the bazaar. We'll put the savages in
Oh
order.
yeah. Fine.
I'm told that the explosions blocked the tunnel, Aiden. I'm sorry. Getting to the center will have to wait.
Yeah, that's all right. I need to get something back first.
Fucking hell.
My frames.
My boost. I lost my boost.
Aiden, you're alive.
No thanks to you.
The people from the bazaar. They've gone totally apeshit, Aiden. They're massacring the PKs. They almost got me too. I'll come get you.
No need. Got the GRE key?
I got everything we need, amigo. Come to Sarah and Yana's.
The tunnel to the center is blocked.
I got another idea. Hurry up.
Man, how you all the way over there?
Speeding.
Fucking cheater.
Speeding.
Damn, did you get
It's
this mural shit right here?
No.
Hey, you.
Man. Man.
That shit
Man.
clean.
Epic.
Haha, now I'm faster than you. Haha. Aw, I got caught on whatever.
This nigga think he faster than me. This nigga really think he faster than me. Ah, I lost my boost. I need that wall run upgrade right now.
I stuck on a wall.
Straight where we started the game.
For real.
Hakon,
Ah, you're finally here. Let's go. When Yana heard you were coming, she grabbed Sarah and they left. Seems they weren't too fond of you.
where are we at?
Oh
Ah, what? Fucking hell.
Calm down, just let me see. Let me see, I'll help.
Fuck. Wait.
I'll help, show me. Relax, you're gonna pull through. What's that?
He got bit.
The wound from the Lazarus?
no! Oh, okay.
So you killed
Oh,
Lucas.
he's the one that killed him.
If not for those brass knuckles, it would only took a few seconds to do the job. Ah, I thought he was a better fighter. Ah,
The fuck are you saying?
no point denying it with this wound, right?
So you carved out his tattoo and planted it on Barney.
Waltz, he ordered the kill.
You're working with Waltz and you didn't tell me? You piece of shit.
Oh, you don't get it, kid. Waltz would have killed me, you see, like he killed Dylan. And anyone who defies him. I have to get out of here, get it? I couldn't have told you.
Why? You know he's the one who tortured me in the past.
I didn't tell you in order to protect you. So what if you find out something about your sister? Waltz will kill you.
Where is he?
Ah, fuck!
Where is Waltz?
Supposed to meet him under the electric car factory in the GRE tunnel. Hey, then I'm
Dropkick one.
fucking dead here, understand? They're gonna kill me. You'd leave me. You'd leave me now.
Give me back the GRE key, Hakon.
Here.
Man, we're helping my
that
nigga.
I should
We're
have
helping my
died for
nigga.
what you did.
Why wouldn't you?
You my
I'm
nigga,
gonna
that's
find
why.
that sniper first.
Really? You do that for me?
A life for a life. After that, we're fucking done.
Aw. That's my nigga, though.
Man. What about our deal?
Bros.
See that goddamn sniper?
No, nothing.
Use your binoculars.
Oh,
Shut up. I'm done listening to your sage advice.
I'm about to use my binoculars right now.
I know, I fucked up.
Let's leave it at that.
I was gonna stand right here.
I see him right here, bro.
I found him.
He's straight in front of us.
Alright, combat level. Oh shit, I got sniped. I died.
Those
I got
boats
sniped.
fly far.
Bruh. Said I died. I'll get that grapple.
I'm getting that grapple throw so I can throw
Fine,
niggas
fine.
off the roofs now.
Find something to hide behind.
Tell me something I don't already know,
No, fuck
Hakon.
that beach. Car. I'm surprised they still kept it in the game. Land on car, no damage.
Who's this nigga gonna do? Snipe me?
I'm too fast.
Oh shit.
That shit was loud as fuck.
Aiden, you alright?
Yep.
I'm just running through that shit. Ah, never mind. That shit killed me.
That shit kill you. Gotta run through this shit again.
Sure. Fucking ears,
Aiden.
goddamn.
You alright?
Goddamn.
Yep, I'm fine.
Clever fucker. Shut the tanks.
Fuck. Shit, Doc.
Run, boy. Run.
That prick's got an
I
eagle
see him,
eye.
Aiden. He's sticking to the roofs. Go.
I don't know how to go up. How the fuck you
Not
get?
in here. Not in here, 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 not in here.
Nah, I'm going up here. This way. No. Hi.
Say shit.
Ow. Nigga shot me in my dick. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh, you just standing there? What the fuck? I'm getting hit? I don't know. Oh, from over there. From above us. I don't remember how to get up.
This nigga. Man, that shit tickle.
I pick up these arrows. Yeah, I think it's like, it's not supposed to be here, it's supposed to be up there. The game broke, because we died, I think. There you go.
Ah, shit, he dropped the ladder.
It's a sheep.
Well, so much for surprise. We figured something out. Still in one piece.
For now, yes. I gotta get behind him somehow.
Fucking William Tell. They get to me like that.
Who else wants to kill you, Hakon? Ader? The PKs?
I lost track ages ago.
Taking that queef. It didn't move. It didn't move. It's supposed to move. You can't get up there because it's not moving. Bruh.
Shit.
You died too hard earlier, bruh. It's supposed to move. It's funny as fuck. I don't know why it's not moving. I mean, what if we just die? See if that fixes it. Hi.
Still in one piece.
For now, yes. I gotta get behind him somehow.
Fucking William Tell. They get to me like that.
Who else wants to kill you, Hakon? Ader? The PKs?
I lost track ages ago.
I was giving it a couple seconds so it would fucking. I wonder if we're not going the right way.
Agent 20. Frick.
Like look right here on this shit right here on the whatever to my right. There's some like things you can climb up on. I wonder if you climb up on that instead of doing this. Cause it's not moving either way.
There's ladders.
Like you see, right? You see what I'm talking about? You can climb
Yeah.
up right here.
Fuck, I'm gonna try it. Oh, you need hella stamina for this shit. Yeah, you need hella stamina for that.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it's fucking bugged right now. Like if I could do that boosting off of you, I'd be like, alright. Ow. I was gonna go up again.
Ah!
Alright, I don't know why I screamed like that. I don't know. I don't think it's just supposed to be like this.
Kind of funny.
Oh, I moved. I moved it. Let's go.
How?
I just jumped up. I don't know. It's moving though. There you go. My frames. Squeaky ass door.
What?
Uh-oh, main character. Later on in the story.
Why are you protecting that asshole?
Who sent you?
Fucking Santa Claus. This has nothing to do with you. You gotta pick your friends better.
I would have kicked her in the pussy.
Why are you hunting Hakon? Is this about killing Lucas or?
Tell Hakon that it's not over yet.
Hey, wait! Ah!
Oh, I need one of those.
Hey.
I'm saying, bro. I would just kicked her right in the pussy.
Hakon, you still alive?
My meter's still running?
I lose
Hakon,
my
she got away,
my boot in her pussy.
but you're safe. For now.
She? There was a woman. Fuck.
Yeah, and I don't think she likes you. That sounded personal.
Personal, huh? Doesn't usually narrow it down. But I know who it is. Watch out for her, Aiden. She's one of the most dangerous people you'll ever meet.
And noted. Now I'm going to the Central Loop.
Beware of wolves, Aiden. Renegades have appeared all over the center, and he's working with them.
CDS
He's
act.
looking for the key you've got.
I'm done listening to your advice. Ader,
That was a side
Ader,
quest.
come in.
Aiden, tell me what's cooking.
Oh, you have no idea. Barney and Sophie, they didn't kill Lucas. Hakon did.
What?
Straight snitched on my best friend.
Waltz had him do it. And that completes my part of our deal. Your turn.
Wait. Aiden, did you see Waltz? You know where he's hiding?
Is that the old car factory?
So we're gonna meet there. Waltz is bloody dangerous, Aiden. He's a renegade. We have to get him.
And what about the Central Loop?
The Central Loop will stay put. Waltz
Who the fuck
wants.
is this?
Trust me. I'll see you at the factory.
Have this, motherfucker!
Oh shit.
Ader, so what do you know about Waltz?
Not much. I heard that years ago he got kicked out of the
Yeah.
GRE for running illegal experiments. Now he's the Butcher's right hand. We've been looking for him, sure. Been looking for many of them, but
I need a piece.
maybe something changed and Waltz climbed the ranks.
Why did he want Lucas dead?
That's going to be the first thing I'll ask once we get to him.
Yeah, artifact katana. I don't even know where I got it from. It's only level 2.
Ah. Can you upgrade?
Yeah.
Oh. Gonna need some of those.
Man, do I need a piece again?
Niggas always got a piss.
My bladder, like negative. I got negative stats on my bladder.
Bruh.
I'm getting this free HP over here. Wait for him to spawn in.
Bruh.
Very epic XP. Dark Hollow. Nigga!